Stretch marks, also called striae, happen when your skin changes shape rapidly due to growth or weight gain. They aren't a sign that anything is wrong with your health. Both men and women can get stretch marks. Pregnancy and puberty are the two most common times in life to get stretch marks. Getting rid of stretch marks in a completely natural way isn't likely. They're a type of scarring that rarely fades enough to become invisible. However, there are some remedies that can help minimize the appearance of stretch marks and help them to fade more quickly. Here are some of the remedies you can try to get rid of those stretch marks. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is referred to as a retinoid. Retinoids make skin appear smoother and more youthful. They're used in many over-the-counter topical cosmetic creams. Simply using a topical extract of vitamin A, or taking vitamin A orally, can contribute to your skin's health and overall appearance. A diet rich in certain foods, such as carrots and sweet potatoes, might also help you increase your vitamin A levels. Also, retinoids is identified as helping the appearance of stretch marks. 2. Sugar. Believe it or not, sugar can help you get rid of stretch marks. It serves as a homeopathic microdermabrasion method to clear your skin. Mix sugar with almond or coconut oil and lemon juice and rub it over your stretch marks for 8 to 10 minutes several times a week. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is super moisturizing, protects the skin from the elements, and may help to get rid of stretch marks. Aloe vera is also known for helping to heal wounds, so even if it doesn't help in miraculously getting rid of stretch marks, at least your skin will be super healthy. 4. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid helps to boost collagen production, which is the protein in our skin that helps it keep its shape and appear healthy. It helps to increase skin elasticity, moisturize, heal wounds, get rid of wrinkles, and helps with anti-aging. Look for it as an ingredient in lotions or take a capsule. 5. Coconut oil. Besides making you feel like you're at the beach, coconut oil contains anti-inflammatory properties that help lighten and fade stretch marks. Although it tends to be solid at room temperature, gentle rubbing between your palms offers enough heat to turn it into a liquid and makes it easy to apply to affected areas of the body. 6. Vitamin C. Vitamin C has been shown to improve stretch marks in a clinical study when applied daily. Eating foods rich in vitamin C may help improve the appearance of stretch marks, and they're quite easy to find. Look for fruits such as strawberries and mangoes. The best treatment for stretch marks appears to be prevention. By keeping your skin hydrated, you can help keep the elastin that your skin needs to keep from scarring. Using topical creams such as coconut oil will keep your skin moisturized and make stretch marks less likely. Even without treatment, almost all stretch marks will fade over time. Rarely will stretch marks stay as prominent as when they initially appear.